Good day everyone, and let's check on what the weather has in store for the rest of your Wednesday. We have here this cold front which is slowly edging towards our shores, and this is going to give us cloud and rainy weather for much of the day along the west coast and the southwestern areas where scattered rain is possible in places. The scattered rain should also spill into the western parts of the Eastern Cape. Thunder showers are forecast for the rest of the Eastern Cape, much of KwaZulu-Natal and Mpumalanga, as well as the eastern parts of Limpopo. It's going to be mostly sunny and hot across much of the central interior. Up to an 80% chance of rain is forecast along the south coast and the adjacent interior. Then the areas highlighted by the light shades of blue could see up to a 40% chance of rain and thunder showers. The South African Weather Service has issued a watch for high fire danger across the eastern parts of the Northern Cape, extending down into the Little Karoo as well as the Central Karoo. It's going to be pretty hot this afternoon over these parts of the country. Kimberley shooting to around 35 degrees, 33 for DR, just a degree warmer as we go towards Net. It's going to be cooler, however, along the south coast where George should manage a high of just 22 degrees, 24 for the top temperature in the mother city. We are expecting highs in the upper 20s around Bishop, East London and Durban. Warmer, however, for much of the KZN interior. It's going to be warmer as well over the northeast. Pretoria reaching a high of around 31, just 28 for the high in Johannesburg. It's going to be sizzling hot once again for Mahikeng, reaching a high of around 35 degrees. Here's what's happening around the coastal areas. Poor beach conditions are forecast for the west coast. It's going to be cloudy and wet here, and we're expecting moderate southwesterlies for much of your day. Southwesterlies are also forecast along the southwest coastline. Again, poor beach conditions thanks to the cloudy and wet weather forecast here. And for the boaters, swell heights will average around 2.5 meters off the southwest coastline. We are also expecting unfavorable beach conditions around Plettenberg Bay and Muscle Bay. It's going to be cloudy and wet for much of the day. However, good beach conditions are forecast for Port Elizabeth, where wet weather only arrives late in the afternoon. We are also expecting wet weather to reach the east coast late in the afternoon, so coastal conditions are going to be favorable for much of your Wednesday. That's all from the Weather Center for now. Have a great one.